multiple choice, true or false, match the following, fill in the blanks. Biometric authentication is built into the device. Since it's not a touch tablet, all your interactions are through a supplied stylus pen, and you can rest your hand comfortably on the device while you're writing your exam. Your responses are saved real-time in multiple storages within the device in order to ensure zero loss of data. In case the device fails in between, students don't have to worry. We will issue a backup device, and whatever the student has written will get transferred to the new device. Student will not lose out any data or lose any time. Whatever time it takes to replace the device will automatically get added to the student's exam time. We now look at the exam process as to how and what happens when you enter the exam hall. When you walk into the exam hall, the devices will be placed in docking stations. You can pick up any device and take it to your seat. To log in, please select your roll number and click on the scan button. Please use your fingerprint or iris to authenticate yourself. In case you have any difficulty while logging in, please reach out to one of the invigilators available in the exam hall. Once logged in, your admit card will appear on screen. You can go through the details and click on Submit. Once the admit card has been accepted, you will come to a practice test area. You can use this to try out various functions and features. At exactly 1 minute before the exam start time, practice exam will stop, and this screen will appear with the message that the live exam is about to start. At exactly the exam start time, the question paper for your exam will appear on screen, and you can start answering the questions. In the next part of this video, you will see all the tools and features that are available to take your exam. This is a sample question paper. Your university logo and the exam subject will appear on top with the total marks and the duration of the exam. There could be multiple sections and durations set for each section in the question paper. For instance, first section can be all multiple choice questions with duration of 30 minutes set and the balance time assigned for the subsequent sections. In this case, for the first 30 minutes only first section will be displayed. At the end of 30 minutes first section will disappear and the rest of the sections will appear. There is a scroll bar to the right bottom corner with a handle. You can click on the handle and scroll down and view the entire question paper. Questions can have image, formula, audio, and video. Answering multiple choice question is very easy. Below the question text there will be options displayed in rectangular boxes. Click inside the box to select the option of your choice. Option will turn green to indicate it is selected. The question number will also turn green, only to indicate that you have answered the question. If you want to change from the selected option to any other option, click on the other option. The first option will get deselect and the new option will be selected. If your exam has negative marking and you would rather leave this question unattempted, you can click again on the selected option to deselect it. If you want to do some rough work to answer a question, a rough note area available in this notebook style icon on top right of the screen. Clicking this icon will open a rough note area. You can resize the rough note area by holding and moving the gray bar. Clicking the icon again will hide the rough note area. Another question type is match the following. The question options are on the left and the answer options are on the right. To answer this question, click the question option on the left first and then the corresponding answer option on the right. The selected options will align in one line and a green indication will appear. The question number box will turn orange to indicate that you have commenced answering this question. Once you have answered all the options, the question number box will turn green. Another question type is short answer type. It might also be used for fill in the blanks type of question. To answer these questions, click anywhere within the rectangular question box area. A one-word answer area will open up right below, and you can write your one-word or phrase answer. Another question type is the descriptive type. Short notes, essays, diagrams, and freehand drawing can be done in this type. To the right of the question box, you see the marks for this particular question, and the number of pages that you have written for this particular answer. To write your answer for this question, click within the question box. A response area will open up. Selected question is shown on top. This box can be resized to view the entire question. Clicking on the question number button will dock the question box to the left, which can also be resized. If you want to maximize the writing area, click again on the question number button and the question text will get hidden. So the question number box is a three-way toggle switch. To dock on the top, on the left, or hide. If you want to go back to the question paper, please click the Q icon. You can answer questions in any random manner. It will be presented as per the order it is arranged in question paper to the evaluator. You can write or draw in this area with your stylus. Different page styles such as ruled pages, graph sheets can be selected for your convenience. For instance, if you want to have ruled pages, it can be selected. When you're writing, the pen icon has to be selected. And for writing your answer, it's preferable to use either blue or black color. This is the color palette. There are 20 standard colors and unlimited custom colors. You can select the desired color and the pen and write or draw. As this is not a touch tablet, you can rest your hand comfortably on the device and write. In case you want to change the size of the pen tip, that's available here. You have 3 pen tip sizes: small, medium, and large. You can choose whichever is more comfortable for your writing style. In addition to pen size, you also have 2 paintbrush sizes. This can be used to draw or paint. Whenever you want to write, please switch to the pen size and ensure the pen is selected before writing. For coloring and shading, you can use patterns. For example, if you want to introduce a shade within a drawing, you can select pattern and a paintbrush size and a corresponding color. Selecting a different pattern will give you a different shade. Please remember when you want to write, select the block pattern and blue or black color, and the pen size of your choice. For drawing shapes and diagrams, you have standard shapes available here. Horizontal line, vertical lines, slanting lines, and shapes such as rectangle, square, circle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, arc, and ellipsis can be drawn with precise measurements. Draw a circle either by selecting center point or enclosed circle by selecting boundary. In addition, if you wanted to introduce a small graph sheet, you can use a graph sheet icon over here, and select the dimensions 1 millimeter or 5 millimeters or 10 millimeters, and introduce a small graph area inside your answer page. Similarly, you have the option to use XY plot. Define the plot area from the bottom left corner to the top right corner. You can draw your XY plot and use the pen icon to place your points and complete your XY plot. Different sizes of erasers to make corrections to what you have written or drawn. You also have a block erase function to erase an entire